Hi guys, welcome back to My Dank Dog. In this episode we're going to be going over the LumaRay Side Lighting that's compatible with SGS Grow Tents, similar to the Grow Tent Pro kit that I've got set up in the back. Let's get into it. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you very much to Vivosun for sponsoring the channel. And guys, don't forget, I've got a 1-year anniversary giveaway on at the moment where you can win all of these cool Vivosun goodies listed here. The details are in the description below. Check it out and make sure you enter. And if you guys are in the market for any Vivosun gear, you can head over to vivosun.com and save 15% with my promo code MyDankDog, and that's site-wide with no minimum purchase. The code MyDankDog. Also, if you guys have been following my other adventures with the VGrow Smart Grow Box, you know I'm onto my second grow. If you guys are in the market for one, you can save 20% over at vivosun.com and amazon.com with my code MDDVGrow, valid until February 28th. Back in December, I went to meet the Vivosun team at MJ BizCon in Las Vegas, and I met Steven, the product director from Vivosun, and he filled me in on a bunch of really cool stuff that Vivosun has got planned for 2025. Some of the stuff that caught my eye was the DWC for the VGrow, and I'm really looking forward to that. Some of the other stuff is for the SGS Grow systems, basically the tents like the Grow Tent Pro kit, which I have. And the LumaRay Side Lighting was one of the things that caught my eye. So it's currently on pre-order or pre-sale at the vivosun.com website, so you can head over there and pre-order it if you're already interested in getting some. But I got sent this at the weekend. I haven't fitted it into my 2x4 Grow Tent Pro kit yet because I just changed the water on my DWC, so I've got a time-lapse set up, so I don't want to disturb that before I set it up. So I'll actually be installing it into my tent this weekend. So stay tuned for that video, the update on my F1 Medusas, one's in a DWC and the other one's in Coco. Back to the LumaRay Side Lighting. As you can see, it comes in two different sizes. It comes in a 4 and it comes in an 8. I've got the 4. The 8 will be for bigger sized tents and grow setups. It's pretty straightforward. It comes with a set of magnets and hooks so that you can fit the lights to the horizontal support poles in the Vivosun Smart Grow System tents. I have the horizontal poles in my Grow Tent Pro kit 2x4 as well as my 36x36. So I guess I can set these lights up in both of my tents if I really wanted to. As you can see here, pretty straightforward. These are the magnetic hooks, and then this usually attaches to a magnet that's fitted to either the item or the add-on, so it's pretty versatile. You just clip it on and clip it off. These are just some ties for your wires to keep your tent neat and tidy with all the wires that you run up and down the poles. These magnets here are for more of a kind of permanent installation. They have a 3M sticky on the back. This is the bracket that fits to the back of the lights. Now, you clip this onto the back of the lights and then you attach your magnet like so, and then the hook will clip onto your support poles inside your grow tent. So I'll just show you how this clips on and clips off. These lights are 16 inches long and there's 4 of them, and you can get an 8 as well. So there you go. Pretty simple. The hook just kind of magnetically attaches there, and those hooks will be attached to the support poles, and then I can just basically adjust or move these lights to target the upper middle part of your plants. They are a 50-watt full spectrum lights with 60% red to help boost your yields. Apparently up to 25% better, so I'm eager to get these in my tent and on my ladies if they're going to give me a pretty good boost to my yields. They're fully dimmable. You can attach them to the Smart Grow system, the Grow Hub, and the Grow Pilot Vivosun app, and they're adjustable from 0 to 100% via that app. This is pretty much the same setup as I've got. It's a 2x4 Grow Tent Pro kit, This is it set up at MJ BizCon. I'm already a big fan of the Vivosun Aero Light with the adjustable wings. It allows me to kind of get extra cover and different angles of light on my plants. I'd already done some experiments prior to getting the Vivosun lights with different angles on plants. I should put that video together. But when I saw the supplemental lighting, and I just thought, oh, this is similar to what larger commercial growers use for their under canopy lighting, I thought, you know, I've definitely got to add this to my tent. So I'm looking forward to getting this set up this weekend inside my 2x4 with my DWC. I've also got to unbox these as well, guys. This is a 16-inch bowl trimmer or leaf trimmer. So hopefully this is going to take me out of trim jail and up my game, take it up a notch when it comes to trimming. I've also got this herbal extraction and decarboxylation machine, which is going to be fantastic and hopefully cut time down on my making butter, which I do in a slow cooker at the moment and it takes forever. So really looking forward to opening these guys and trying them out. Stay tuned for that. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I do appreciate it. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks again to Vivosun for sponsoring the channel. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.